Hello, sound check. Wala palang microphone. Hindi namin kakapit mo dito yung microphone. So ano pong nararamdaman nila?
Satisfied. And then, sasabihan ko na yung babae na hindi na, pass na.
Sabi mo, wag na. Di na namin kailangan.
Kung na kailangan ng tulong mo.
Mahal ng tinda mo. Ikaw, gusto ka na.
7 years old.
7 years old. Kamusta ka na? 7 years old. Ano nararamdaman mo?
I like 6-7.
6'7".
My favorite thing, the whole wide world.
Hindi ko masabihin, hindi ko na kukunin. Hindi ko na po kukunin. Nakakuha ako for lower price.
Na, huwag ka na mag-explain.
Hindi kasi baka kitain niya ako bukas eh.
Sabi mo, hindi na pala ako bibili. Yun na lang, okay na yun.
Nilagay mo yung mic? May mic, marinig ka ba dyan? Bakit ito yung sticker niyo?
Orig pa yan, orig.
Yung lens, try mo nga yung lens. Yung wide lens.
Huwag na, okay na to.
Ako. Mel! Go with Mel! Kamusta naman ang biyahe sa Tbilisi? Kamusta ang biyahe sa Tbilisi?
Liglamig dito, ang ginaw-ginaw. Kita-kita.
Hi, Tam Tam! Tami! Tami, look at you! What can you say about our new device?
YouTube.
Mami. Ah.
Let's go na na!
May cake pa.
Daddy, tignan mo. Paano yung ipopost? Paano mo siya ipopost?
Wala.
Yung
Ayan, sa kanto.
try mo.
Ay, ba pala? Walang post.
Kaya pala mabilis ma-load.
Stop ko na lang.
So, Daddy, para mas kompleto yung legitness niya. Legitimacy. Illegitimate. I-add mo siya sa Facebook. Anak, dito ka na. Dali na, buboy.
Uuwi na tayo kasi
Yes. Let's
ang
go.
traffic boy.
Hi, Ipis, what's up?
Oh, hold it. Properly, don't drop it.
Anak ha, expensive yan.
Do your vlog.
Super duper expensive.
Do your vlog.
Do your vlog ka rin. Sige na.
Say things to it.
Say thanks, come on. Sige na. Anong gusto mo sa McDo? Sabi mo, I want
chicken and rice and French fries. I want fried chicken and chicken nuggets
That's sorry, money.
and And that's it for now. How do I stop it? How do I stop it?
How do I stop it? The red one. Oh, no. Sorry.
May budget meal kayo na ano eh, yung parang chicken fillet.
You're just boosting the water even more.
Chicken fillet po, 99 pesos po, may drinks na po siya din. Dalawa na po yung rice niya.
Yan.
So battery.
Coke Zero rin.
Turn it off.
Or, isang order na rin po.
Tell me from tears, I gave it to
Bali kung zero na yung pagkakas yung tama po.
Apa.
Gusto ko ng McDo.
Kasi ko lang yung order nila. Bali 6 piece mac share po. Then, honey mustard mac spicy, medium coke zero, medium fries. Then, chicken fillet gravy po, medium coke zero na rin po. Tama po.
Apa.
Pa-check na lang po sa screen kung tama na po yung order nila. Tama na po yung nasa screen.
Ayan, okay, tama.
870 po, may McDonald's reward po sila, 3 points.
Wala pa.
Okay po, proceed over to the 14 na. Salamat.
Yeah.
Oh my god, watch out. Wasting battery.
870 po. Card payment po.
Feels like we're in Singapore.
Hi guys. So,
Feels like we're in a plane.
dito na kami sa Tbilisi. Napakalamig guys. Super.
It's bright.
Napakalamig. Pero, masaya pa rin ang experience namin. Experience pa din. Okay. Ito ang traffic sa... Where are we?
New Zealand.
Ano nga ba to? Anong ano to?
New
Commonwealth Avenue. Nasa New Zealand kami.
New Zealand.
Kami sa New Zealand.
We're not close.
Okay. Let's check the...
Why is there people out there? Malapit?
Malayo.
Okay, it's malayo.
Malayo is what?
Far.
Malapit is what?
Far.
Malapit? Malapit is?
Far.
Malapit? Malayo is far, di ba? Malapit is?
Oh, it's near.
Are we malapit na?
Hindi.
Hindi pa. Malayo pa tayo, kamo. Malayo pa tayo.
Malayo pa tayo. Malayo pa tayo.
I want to eat cake, so where's the cake?
Cake at steak.
The cake chew.
Cake at steak. Get cake. Get cake.
Next, mong bibilin dati GoPro. Hindi, para sa ano mo, recording ka dyan sa pag nagda-travel ka.
Oh?
Sa kotse pa. Para alam mo kung sino may kasalanan.
Dashcam yun.
Ay, dashcam pala.
Kaya na yung tumalo sa GoPro. DJ na yun. Wala nang GoPro. Logi na.
Pugi na tong si DJ. Pugi na tong DJ, no? Manila, Manila.
Ang gusto ko sa kanya.
Synonyms.
Synonyms.
Saka
Synonyms.
ganun ka lang, oh. Ang liit niya lang. Hindi siya sobrang haba. o ano.
Yeah.
Synonyms.
Synonyms. Bye-bye.
Go!
Ganda sa Tbilisi.
Go, 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 go. Ing,
Go, 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 go. Why are you copying me?
It's so slow. I wanna wee wee.
You want to wee wee?
Matanda ni Don si Lechon. Sarap ba yan?
Oo, dunsi. Hanggang dito ba naman? May dunsi pa din. What's with dunsi?
I don't know.
Don't see.
Donkey. Dong, dong, dong,
Don't
donkey.
Walang stabilizer yung arms ko eh. So,
Crash.
a little bit yeah, it is. It's a goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye.
Dapat baguhin ko yung pananalita ko sa vlog.
Ayusin mo, daddy.
Dapat sa salita para ganito malinaw at naiintindihan ng lahat.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Kung nag-aaral sa De La Salle University.
Sabi mo, ano sasabihin mo sa mga fans mo? Mga subscribers mo? Sabihin mo.
Si Ipis. Si Mousy. Si Daga.
Sino si Daga?
It's the cat. The cat.
Who's Daga?
The cat.
Why didn't you finish watching Zootopia?
Because it was boring.
I told ya, the conversation is part of the story. You have to listen.
Still boring. Nothing very
Oh my god,
nothing very explanation mark is going on.
there are a lot of explanation going on.
There's nothing. It's
You
boring.
just have to listen and wait for it.
But the waiting is boring.
It's part of the journey. It's part of the watching. It's part of the movie.
Malapit tayo. Hindi? Or malapit?
So, I have a suggestion. We will watch
You'll watch a
Christmas movie for kids, for family. Okay? May Netflix kaya dun sa China?
Wala po.
Oh my lord! I believe I can touch the sky. My microphone blocked. Why? Why did you block my microphone?
because you're
Why?
annoying.
What are you talking about?
Never eat yellow snow. Never eat yellow snow. What if you eat yellow snow? Dede, what if you eat yellow snow?
What?
You will die. Because it's snow with pee.
My microphone blocked.
About brown snow.
Because it's a no brown snow. It's poop. It's a snow with poop.
What if it's orange?
It's wee wee.
What if it's red?
It's blood.
What if it's green?
What if it's green? It's grass.
So you can touch green snow.
Yes. Oh no! Toxic waste.
What if it's pink?
That means it's filled with Minecraft because of the pink sheep.
What if it's purple?
What if it's the purple?
Yeah.
That
Huh?
everything is
Stop.
grapes.
It's grapes, so you can touch purple snow.
Or
I touch purple snow.
what?
Mas mura pa rin sa clean fuel kanina.
Mommy, eat this! Eat this!
Oh, na. Asa nung gamitin mo ng DJ? Mamaya. Ha?
Gamitin mo yung DJ.
Ikaw na nga.
Bye. Ito, pang text lang ito araw-araw dyan eh. Pag nandiyan dyan, nasa cellphone lang yan.
Silang time niya.
Ah, eat this!
Para ano.
I love the earpiece. When we see an
Sabi ko sa'yo,
earpiece, we
nakasay
take
sa
a
mga
picture of
building,
it.
Relax time yun. Time out.
Maya talaga? Hindi ibang building?
Yan lang. Yan lang ang nagtitext. Yung portion na yun.
And we're back. Nakarating na tayo dito sa Tbilisi. Tignan natin ang paligid. So, akit muna namin mga gamit natin and then we'll go down again to find some food. Meron nakitang mini stop dito sa Tbilisi and Uncle John's. Meron din silang Lawson dun sa corner. And then, yeah!
Magbablogger na yung nanay mo, Tom.
Do you want to be a vlogger?
Yes, I can make money.
Nyik, 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 nyik. That's the last resort. Oh, pag tinanong ka sa occupation. Ano mo doon? Lalagay mo. Vloggerist. Siyempre, kanina pa kami
Ano?
Summit? Summit?
Yeah, sorry.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Bakit ako yung ginagawa niya?
Kikita yung password niya.
What's the password?
Oh.
Yung nakasulat dyan.
Pindutin mo lang yung field.
Field?
Yeah. And then,
Yan, din. Sabit mo.
how to do this? Ganito lang?
Oo.
Do I log in? Log in?
Good morning, Tbilisi. Tulog pa si Kuradong. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. May bagong tutupiin yan, oh. May bagong tupiin. Let's go to my workstation. Oops. Baby, please don't go. Oh. Here's my workstation. Yes. Here I am. Hello. Hanggang dyan lang yung zoom in. Daddy's workstation. Outside Maria. Time to work. Time to work.
Ano pong masasabi nyo
Sa?
sa nangyayari ngayon?
Ano nangyari ngayon lang naman? Hindi siya Bundaberg. Stanford. Butterbeer. See? Hindi siya Bundaberg. Ikaw, anong masasabi mo? Gusto ko na pumunta lang. Harbe. Halika na.
Oh, ganun yung ulo nung DJI. Tabingi.
Ang DJ.
Galing nung gimbal, oh.
Manonood pa rin sila?
Nasira na yung computer ni Tomas. What happened, Tom? What happened?
Nothing.
Refresh it.
No, no, no.
Join again.
No, you just use the camera. Look, see?
Hindi, yan. So you can see the, teacher. The screen.
Start of it. See, I cannot see the messages now.
There. The CC.
Oh, here. Oh, no, I cannot see here. I can go up.
Messy house. Alright, bye.
Hi guys. Nainis ako sa akin. Ano bang iba? Hello mga kakusa. Ngayon, dito tayo ngayon sa aking mansion.
Hello mga kabimbang. Vloggerist.
Oh! What happened?
No. Ano yan? No.
Tomas.
Big now.
Sino kalaban mo?
Big.
Sino kalaban mo, boy?
Don't know.
Hello.